redress on her behalf and to take legal action to vindicate her reputation. And today, in the High Court of the Royal Courts of Justice in London, Dنیا TV has made a full and unequivocal public apology to my client. Dنیا TV has accepted that Ms. ریحام Khan never received any payments from Mr. Shahbaz Sharif or anyone in the Pakistan Muslim League for her book. Dنیا TV has also given an undertaking not to repeat these false allegations about my client, and they have paid her substantial damages and her legal costs. We are very happy with the outcome for our client, Ms. ریحام Khan.
I'm glad that justice has finally prevailed. It took me a long legal battle to prove my innocence and the fact that I was victimized and defamed by Dنیا and several other news channels for business and political gains. I have never received any kind of money from Mr. Shahbaz Sharif for writing my book. It's hurtful that sections of Pakistani media and politicians linked with PTI made false allegations, knowing well that these allegations lacked any truth. These allegations have put my life at risk and have repercussions for me for all of my life. I hope that my victory and vindication serves as a catalyst for ethical journalism and honest politics in Pakistan. I see this as a win for all women in Pakistan who suffer character assassination. मुझे अपनी बेगुनाही साबित करने के लिए एक लंबी कानूनी जंग लड़नी पड़ी. दुनिया टीवी समेत दीगर टेलीविज़न चैनल्स ने सियासी और कारोबारी मकासद के हसूल के लिए मेरी किरदार कशी की. मैंने अपनी किताब लिखने के लिए मियाँ शहबाज शरीफ साहब से कोई पैसे नहीं लिए. ये बात इंतहाई तकलीफ देह है कि मीडिया के एक मखसूस तबके ने और पाकिस्तान तहरीक ए इंसाफ से मुंसलिक सियासतदानों ने मुझ पर इल्ज़ामात लगाए, ये जानते हुए कि इन इल्ज़ामात की कोई सदाकत नहीं है. इन बेबुनियाद इल्ज़ामात की वजह से